Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add portfolio on your Upwork. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, first open up your upwork.com and sign in. Right after you do that, you will find this option of find work, and right over here you will find this option of profile. Once you tap on the profile, you will be able to scroll down a bit, and right away you will find the section of portfolio with the plus icon. Go ahead, tap on the plus icon. Now you will be able to add in your profile subject, choose a template for you, and add in the details and the links and everything. So first add in the portfolio subject. What is the portfolio about and what is for? Then add the quantity if it requires according to the subject, and then confirm it. Then afterward, choose a template for you that you would prefer your portfolio to be submitted on your profile on Upwork. Once you choose that, and according to the template you have selected, add in the details that you would require to add in the portfolio, which will be about you, your work, your experiences, again in the portfolio way. Add in the information accordingly and confirm it and save it in your profile. And when you go to your profile again, you will find the portfolio listed right in the bottom if you scroll a bit. So that's how you will be able to do so. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.